this tutorial, I'll explain how to watch Monday Night Raw live on Hulu and clarify your options for streaming WWE's flagship show. Let's get started. Hulu does not offer live streaming of Monday Night Raw. However, if you have a Hulu Plus Live TV subscription, you can watch it live on the channels that broadcast WWE programming, such as USA Network. To do this, open the Hulu app or website, log into your account, and navigate to the Live TV section. Find USA Network in the channel lineup and tune in during the live airing of Monday Night Raw. If you don't have Hulu Plus Live TV, consider subscribing to it as an add-on to your existing Hulu plan. Alternatively, you can stream Monday Night Raw live through Peacock, which is now the exclusive home for WWE Network content, including live shows like Raw. For recorded episodes, Hulu may offer past episodes of Monday Night Raw in its on-demand library, but availability depends on licensing agreements.